Ultra Journey! Episode 1, Beginnings. I can't wait to battle. Wait, you must have breakfast first. Nuh-uh-uh. You will regret this. We shall see. You finally made it. At least I'm here. I will cook you nonetheless. No, you won't. We'll see. Huh! Huh! Oh! Ow! How did I get cooked so badly?
You charge too much ultra energy.
Isn't that a good thing?
Well, too much of a good thing can be bad.
What do you mean? How is too much ultra energy bad?
Did you see how when he hit you, you fell down?
Yeah, what?
Your body couldn't handle the energy surge, so you fell.
How do I fix it?
You should charge for about 2 seconds.
Okay. Wait, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Master Tyson.
Well, Master Tyson, can you be my mentor?
Sure.
I'll win this rematch for sure.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
Bush.
You should charge for about 2 seconds.
Ah! Yay, I won. Want a team? Sure. Can't wait to go to the Ultra Dimension. We'll win so many battles together.